Today, I want to obviously Ganesh Chaturthi is coming. It's a beautiful festival where we invoke Ganesha, where we try to where we celebrate and we do so many things, right? But today, I wanted to do this session just from a very emotional point of view because whenever you think of Vignaharta, whenever you think of all the obstacles in your life, whenever you want peace, you know that God, I wish there was some divine power who would just come and remove all the problems in our life. That is the time you think of Ganesha because he is Vignaharta, he is the Lord who removes all obstacles. So मुझे लगा कि एटलीस्ट उनको खुश करने से बहुत अच्छा रहता है. मैं बहुत सेल्फिशली ये कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को लगा कि यू नो दिस गॉड्स, उनको आप जितना प्रेज करो, उनका माया, यू नो, यू स्प्रेड देयर वर्ड, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट देम, इफ यू इन्वोक देम, इफ यू प्रे टू देम, somewhere I feel these divine energies, you know, they feel very happy. This is my personal belief, and that is the reason I just want Ganesh ji to be very happy and benevolent with all of us, all the human race, remove all the suffering, remove all the obstacles. And this is just actually a session where I want to, you know, express gratitude and thank him for being there in our lives already and doing so much. We keep thinking of what is there, but you know, all the problems, but what has already been given to us, that is something we neglect, right? So विघ्नहर्ता को हम लोग आज बहुत तहे दिल से हम लोग उनको थैंक यू बोलने ये सेशन कर रहे हैं कि आपने इतने सारे हमारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए ऑलरेडी और आगे भी हमको पता है कि आप करेंगे ही. तो उसके लिए हम लोग बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं. और इस बार जब गणेश चतुर्थी की फेस्टिवल आएगी और हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, उसके साथ हम लोग बहुत सिर्फ मांगेंगे नहीं, हम लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड भी फील करेंगे. सिर्फ खाली मांगते रहते, मांगो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, भगवान को ये सबसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट उसके साथ साथ हम लोग बहुत ग्रैटिट्यूड भी एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. मैं सबको एक बार म्यूट कर देती हूँ.
माऊ से बात करूंगी. माऊ से बात करके तुम आज बता देते हो कि कब से बढ़ाएंगे. ठीक है, कब से बढ़ाएंगे बता दें.
ठीक है. तो जब हम लोग गणेश के बारे में बात करते हैं, यू नो, आई फील देयर आर टू वेज. एक तो हम लोग का जो वी नो सो मेनी स्टोरीज अबाउट गणेशा, द वे वो माने उनका जो जन्म हुआ, फिर उनका जो सर कट के हाथी का सर लगा, वी नो सो मच अबाउट ऑल दिस. हम लोग के यू नो हम लोग के रिलीजन में, हम लोग के फोकलोर में, हमारे सारे जो हम लोग को ट्रेडिशंस मिले हैं उसमें ऑलरेडी वी नो ऑल दी स्टोरीज, राइट. बट हर एक के पीछे जो मीनिंग है, जो एक्चुअली बोला जा रहा है या जो हम लोग को रिमाइंड किया जा रहा है, मेरे को लगता है हम लोग को उस पर फोकस करना चाहिए, या मैं आज उस पर फोकस करूँगी. वैसे ये टॉपिक या इसके बारे में बात करना मैं कोई बहुत लर्नेड पंडित या कोई बहुत यू नो वैसी, आई एम नॉट समबडी हु इज सो लर्नेड दैट आई कैन स्पीक अबाउट द स्क्रिप्चर्स, बट एज अ लेमैन what I feel from the heart, that is what I'm sharing, and that is what life is all about, right? When you understand the essence. So I want to share मैं इस गणपति के बारे में क्या समझी हूँ और उसके कारण कैसे मुझे हेल्प मिल रहा है और कैसे मैं ग्रैटिट्यूड के पाथ में चल पा रही हूँ. तो एक तो बहुत सुंदर चीज मेरे को लगा कि गणेश जी का मतलब ये हुआ कि वो विघ्न हरता है. He removes all obstacles, but the way he removes all obstacles is through wisdom. Isn't that beautiful? That वो अपने जो उनका बहुत बड़ा सर है, right? I'll come to the symbolism again. But उनका जो बहुत बड़ा सर है, that is basically signifying wisdom. So जो भी problems हमारे life से जाते हैं, right? That is through wisdom. And isn't that a beautiful way? Because every single person has a head. And we are also Ganesh Jis. We are epitomes. We have this capacity. So that is a very, very important message that Ganesh ji ka puja or Ganesh ji is trying to tell us, that through wisdom, through intelligence, through using your head in the right way, you can remove all obstacles. See, let me tell you something, that I am a big believer of prayer. I genuinely believe that prayers work, that when you, from the heart, when you pray to God, you know, you are setting an intention, your message reaches, the divine energies do something to help you. It gives you peace, it gives you calm, somewhere you feel एक शांति मिलती है, right? That in turn helps you I think solve the problems themselves. Of course, divine miracles होते हैं, God is there everywhere, magic happens. Yet, prayer, when you do prayer, the first thing that you get, I feel, is a lot of peace. You feel grounding. So don't get me wrong, I'm a big believer of prayer. Yet, when you pray and you get that groundedness, when you get centered, you can use your own बुद्धि, जो कि गणेश जी बोल रहे हैं कि अपने विजडम को यूज करो. और उसका और एक ब्यूटी कितना अच्छा है, द रिद्धि सिद्धि, राइट? रिद्धि सिद्धि मीन्स प्रॉस्पेरिटी एज वेल एज सक्सेस. So if you use wisdom, Riddhi Siddhi has 2 wives who are with him. So if you use wisdom, you are getting prosperity and success for guaranteed. So this is again like a trinity: wisdom, prosperity, success. These 3 things go together. So when you are thinking of Ganesh ji, let us see how his entire form, or what is he actually trying to remind us. Okay, I keep saying remind us because a lot of people will already be knowing a lot, but that doesn't matter. और ये भी आप देखेंगे, आप अगर रिसर्च करेंगे, जो मैं कर रही हूँ, there are different variations of what a different guru or a different teacher or what anybody says. It doesn't matter. आपको जो अपील करे आप उसको अडॉप्ट करिए, क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द डे अलग अलग थॉट फॉर्म्स होते हैं, अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट्स होते हैं, सब कोई अपना अपना वर्जन्स देते हैं. आपको जो अच्छा लगे, आपके मन को जो स्कूप करे, आप उसी को अडैप्ट करिए. यू हैव द राइट टू डू दैट. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड राइट एंड रॉन्ग. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू स्मॉल एग्जांपल. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि एक स्टोरी में है कि पार्वती जी ने अपने मिट्टी से, अपने शरीर के मिट्टी से गणेश जी का निर्माण किया, राइट? एक और दूसरा वर्जन है कि शंकर जी जा रहे थे तपस्या में, तो वो उससे पहले पार्वती जी के प्रोटेक्शन के लिए एक ठो गणेश बना के गए, एक ठो छोटा बच्चा को निर्माण करके गए. देयर आर 2 वर्जन्स. Got it? So you know, there are different versions, but you don't have to bother about that. What you have to actually understand is what is Ganesha trying to tell you. What is this whole thing about? When you do Ganesh Chaturthi or when you do the puja, what is it that you are celebrating actually? Is it just the idol? Is it about just eating, doing merriment, or is it actually invoking and then finding those qualities in yourself? Okay, so let's start from the head. So गणेश जी का आप लोग देखेंगे, he has a very huge head. So what does a huge head signify? It signifies wisdom. It is amplifying your intelligence and wisdom. Then he has very small eyes. What is the meaning of small eyes? वो दूरदर्शी है, वो focused है. तो हम लोग को भी अपना wisdom use करना है and साथ साथ focused रहना है. Then he has a soul, right? Which is very malleable and which is able to manage both very delicate things. Have you seen how an elephant can pick up a even small banana or a small thing? It can roll it and pick it and eat it. Yet it is also so strong that it can literally ukhado a tree, right? So you need to have that kind of malleability in your life where you are able to handle. First you have to touch and gauge what is this thing that is there. What is it that is there in the front? You need to have that capacity to gauge, to scan, and then accordingly you decide. So please understand that whatever symbolism is there in Ganesha is all attributed actually to us. Those who joined in late, I got a surgery done here. I removed the mole, so this is the ointment. It's supposed to be there. Nothing's wrong. So so what happens is you are gauging, okay? And then उनका कान इतना बड़ा है, right? What is that? कि सबका सुनो. Have the patience to listen. This is one quality I feel every single person in this present generation lacks. We always want to talk. Our mind is so busy. We just want to share, but who is there to listen? You know what? If you just want to win anybody, take it in writing. If you want to win any person's heart, just listen to that person. कुछ मत बोलो, खाली उसकी बात सुनो. आप realize करेंगे वो आपका fan बन गया है. Because nowadays there are no listeners. Okay, so कान बड़े हैं. And वो भी कान is the same of a सुख, जो बोलते हैं ना, जिससे कि छन्नी. You need to filter what you are hearing. You can't just put whatever you're hearing just goes into the brain. No, you need to filter it there and there. Okay, this is not something which is for my highest good. I don't need to hear it. Or if at all, I just cut all cords. This is not required for me. So your ears have to be you have to be somebody who listens, yet somebody who's able to filter what is going into your mind. Okay, and then Ganesh ji has a huge stomach. So what is a huge stomach about? It is about being able to samal lena. He has the capacity to accept and digest everything and everybody who's around. You understand? He is not one person जो he is trying to denote that पेट बड़ा मने वो उन्हें समाने की शक्ति है. Your differences, your sanskar, you may be very different from me. Okay, I may be very different from you, yet I have the capacity to digest your opinion, your will. I have the capacity to accept everything. तो उसका मतलब है पेट बड़ा है उनका. You know, he is one God who is not shown in a very beautiful form as in the physique, because there is so much meaning behind that, right? तो आप भी अगर किसी का सुनते हो यहाँ पे और जहाँ पे किसी की दूसरे जगह गॉसिप करते हो, all those are things which will be absolutely opposite of what you are supposed to be. Then your wisdom or the tattva you have of Ganesha is getting reduced, because he is one person who is able to somehow accept everything in his belly. वो सब किसी को बात बताते नहीं है. कोई आपका फ्रेंड आपके सामने सीक्रेट बोला है, कोई आपके सामने वल्नरेबल रहा है, दुखी रहा है, आप वो चीज जाके दूसरे को बता दोगे तो आप जितना भी गणेश जी का पूजा कर लीजिए, विघ्नहर्ता आरती कर लीजिए, वो चीज होने वाला नहीं है. Why? Because you are breaking the basic law, the basic first thing कि आपका व्यवहार में गणेश का क्वालिटीज है कि नहीं, वो आपको देखना है. राइट? थोड़े बहुत कैमराज ऑन कर लीजिए प्लीज. सम पीपल, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू नेम्स. ओके, आई फाउंड अ फ्यू. सो इसीलिए आपको उनका पेट बड़ा है. तो अब से आप जब गणेश जी को देखते हो, ठीक है, जब आप पूजा करते हो, रोज करते होगे, अभी गणेश चतुर्थी में ज्यादा करोगे, उस टाइम याद रखना कि ये सब क्वालिटीज हमको अपने लिए याद रखना है कि हम किस तरीके से सुन रहे हैं, हम किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं, हम क्या परख रहे हैं, हम कितना बात पचा रहे हैं, किसके लिए हम लोग वो टाइप के क्वालिटीज अपने आप में ला सकते हैं. तभी actually that is the time when you will be in that state where you will become the Vignaharta. जब आप गणेश, दोनों तरह से काम करता है. एक, you are imbibing the qualities of Ganesha yourself, because that is what the symbolism is all about. Every single thing has a meaning. And another thing is you are also invoking the God कि मैं आपकी तरह बन रही हूँ, मेरा वाइब्रेशन और आपका वाइब्रेशन एक है, and that is the time he will get drawn to you. Right or wrong? If you talk of pure energy also, we say that you vibrate whatever frequency you're vibrating in, you attract that, right? अगर आप law of attraction, energy, वो सब तरीके से भी आप समझें, तो जब तक आप खुद वैसे नहीं बनोगे, आप कैसे वो तत्व को, कैसे आप वो एनर्जी को, कैसे वो डिविनिटी को आप अट्रैक्ट करोगे? तो खाली प्रेयर करने से नहीं होता है, अपने व्यवहार में आपको गणेश जी की तरह बनना पड़ेगा. Only then that combination becomes such where you are the Vignaharta and Ganesh ji as a Vignaharta is helping you. In the morning today, I woke up with the head aching. आप realize करना, मेरा सर दुख रहा नहीं बोल रही हूँ, the head was aching. And then I had this surgery thing where I'm not allowed to wash my face and all. But then I thought that आज बहुत important एक topic है गणेश जी, right? वही आके पूरा solve कर देंगे, क्या problem है? I just need to talk about him and express gratitude for all the blessings that he has given us, right? So we have reached about the form. Now let's come to his hands. What is it that he is holding? So often आजकल देखिए, because of artistic license, अलग अलग टाइप के वेरिएशंस होने लग गए हैं about what गणेश जी is holding, okay, इनके हाथ में. But there are certain things, if you take 6 hands, there are certain things that he holds, a Ganesh statue, okay? So one is an axe. So what does that symbolize? That symbolizes that you are supposed to cut all karmic records of the past. Okay, that axe is something, or if you want to take it in a simpler way, that axe is something which is cutting all negativity. Okay, नेगेटिव थॉट्स बोल दीजिए, नेगेटिविटी बोल दीजिए, नेगेटिव इमोशंस बोल दीजिए, या नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स आपका अगर किसी के प्रति है या खुद के प्रति है, उस चीज को काटना बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, तो आप अगर those who have done a lot of angel classes with me also know about Michael Sword, right? तो यहाँ हमारे गणपति जी भी एक एक्स लेके बैठे हुए हैं. आप उस चीज को भी देख के अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स को काट सकते हैं कि नहीं, मेरे को नेगेटिव थॉट्स, मेरे को नेगेटिव बिलीव्स, मेरे को नेगेटिव पैटर्न्स मेरे को काटना है. दैट इज द रीजन दे हैव द एक्स. ओके, एंड आई नीड टू डील एवरीथिंग विद विजडम. ओके, ओनली व्हेन यू कट दोज नेगेटिविटी विद दैट एक्स, your thoughts, only then you will be able to tap into the wisdom of your innate self. So number 1 is the axe. Number 2 is the rope. He is always carrying a rope. So what is the meaning of a rope? Rope का मतलब ये है बांधना, right? What does a rope do? It ties. So if you want to reach somewhere, or if you want to follow a spiritual path, or if you want to do anything, you need to have discipline in life. You have to tie yourself with discipline. It is only then that you will be able to elevate and to reach that state. तो आप देखिए, अगर आपको कुछ भी करना हो, चाहे आप स्पिरिचुअल पाथ में हो, तो सुबह उठना है, नहाना है, मेडिटेशन करना है, क्लटर क्लीन करना है, जो भी आपका रिचुअल है वो आप फॉलो करेंगे, तभी आप जाके एक स्टेट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन से आप फॉलो करेंगे, तभी आप एक स्टेट में आ सकेंगे जहाँ पे आप विजडम एंड इंटेलिजेंस यूज कर सकेंगे, राइट? इफ देयर इज नो डिसिप्लिन इन योर लाइफ, like often we see children, right? We say, keep saying discipline now. Why do we say that? खैर उनको मत बोलिए, पहले आप खुद के डिसिप्लिन को देखिए. और डिसिप्लिन ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो आपको रिजिड एंड घमंडी बना दे. You know, many people have ज्ञान का घमंड. Many people feel that they're so disciplined that they're higher than the other person. No, it has to be flexible. It has to be something that flows with the situation. So be disciplined, yet be always very, very practical. So I really feel that discipline is something which is a very delicate thing. So it needs a lot of thought. Is that discipline something which is suiting you, or is it something which is making you more troubled? तो अपना rules खुद के लिए बनाइए please. मैं ऑलवेज ये बोलती हूँ, जिस बिकॉज ये बोला हुआ है ये करेक्ट है जरूरी नहीं है. आपके लिए अगर वो सूट कर रहा है, आपका गट बोल रहा है, आपका इंट्यूशन बोल रहा है, आपका बॉडी आपको बता रहा है कि वो आपके लिए ठीक है, तो वो आपके लिए ठीक है. ठीक है. सो नंबर 2 वाज रोप. नंबर 3 इज त्रिशूल. Okay, so त्रिशूल का मीनिंग क्या है? अगेन इट्स द होली ट्रिनिटी. वी नो द पावर ऑफ द त्रिशूल. पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर. दैट पास्ट को हटा के प्रेजेंट में जीने से फ्यूचर अच्छा होता है, right? So the Trishul is a very, very important symbol where we, first of all, you get the power. There are a whole lot of things like I always talk about the number 3, right? Past, present, future. You're getting the power of the conscious, superconscious, subconscious, of the higher power. So उनके हाथ में त्रिशूल है. And त्रिशूल का लेकिन सबसे important message यही है that आपको past हटा के present में रहना है, तब आपका जाके future अच्छा होगा. You can live with wisdom. नंबर 4 है मोदक, राइट? सो गणेश जी आप देखेंगे ऐसे मोदक पकड़े हुए हैं, राइट? ही इज होल्डिंग द मोदक. सो मोदक इज व्हाट? इट इज स्वीट. It is sweet, and if you realize the shape of the modak is such that it is pointing on top. It is not round. कोई भी आप रियल मोदक देखेंगे, एक लड्डू है, एक मोदक है, there is a difference. It is pointing up. So that is that it is going up to the, it is aiming to spirituality. When you talk of pyramids, when you talk of triangles, anything, you realize when there's a point which is going up, that is actually directly connected to the divine. So in your journey of wisdom, and if you follow all this, you will get sweetness, and that sweetness will take you closer to the divine. That is the symbolism of the modak being a little pointed on top. Okay? And if you see, he's not having it, he's ready to share. It is there in his hand. So आप अगर ये मोदक देखेंगे तो वो सबको के साथ शेयर करना है आपको विजडम। आपका जो भी चीज है अपने लिए खाली नहीं है, इट इज फॉर एवरीबडी। दैट इज द रीजन इट इज पुट इन दैट posture. Okay, and then of course we have the lotus flower. Lotus flower everybody knows is a symbol of purity, that आप कीचड़ में रह के भी कमल की तरफ खिल सकते हो, प्योर हो सकते हो। तो आपको अगर स्पिरिचुअल पाथ में जाना है, इवॉल्व होना है, डजंट मीन यू लीव योर फैमिली, योर ड्यूटीज, योर चिल्ड्रन। नो, you be right there and yet you are detached, yet you are pure, yet you are evolving. That is the beauty of actual spirituality. You know, going in the Himalaya alone without any responsibility or just shrugging everything is very easy. The point is सब कुछ करते हुए अगर आप लोटस की तरफ प्योर रह सकते हो, कीचड़ में रहते हुए आप अगर अपलिफ्ट कर सकते हो अपने आप को, तब आप ट्रू, you are in the right path, you know. So that is the symbolism of the lotus. And the last sixth hand is like this: he is always blessing us. Isn't that beautiful? That, you know, जब भी आप देखेंगे गणेश जी को, he is always ready to bless us. उनका हाथ वो लास्ट वाला is about blessings. राइट। सो अगर आप गणेश जी का पूजा करते हो तो इट इज अप टू यू, क्या क्या चीज आपको रिमाइंड करता है कि नहीं मेरे को अपना प्रेजेंट में रहना है, नहीं मेरे को शेयर करना है, नहीं मेरे को सब कुछ में रहते हुए भी प्योरिटी मेंटेन करना है, मेरे को डिसिप्लिन में रहना है। देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच यू कैन रिमेंबर। नहीं मेरे को दूरदर्शी रहना है, मेरे को सबका सुनना है, बट फिल्टर करके अपने घुसना घुसना है। मेरे साथ अगर कोई शेयर करता है कुछ तो मेरे को उसको पचाना है, मेरे को एक्सेप्ट करना है। ये सब क्वालिटीज आप अगर सोचिए, आप खुद इम्बाइब कर ले तो आपका लाइफ, आप खुद ही सोचिए आप कैसे वाइब्रेट करोगे, किस फ्रीक्वेंसी में रहोगे, right? Because you are already doing everything which is so correct, which is so evolved. दूसरा आप देखते हो that his teeth ना एक दंता बोलते हैं ना, एक दांत टूटा हुआ है। ऑफ कोर्स स्टोरी ये है कि वो महाभारत लिखते हुए उनका पेन अटक गया था तो वो he started writing with his tusk. But it also means the power of unity, that there is no duality. एक दंत माने you and me are not different. A Hindu and a Muslim is not different, and a male or female is not different. We are all one. We are all one. That is why, that is the message that is being said, that आप लोग duality खुद create करते हो. Actually everything is one. That is the reason you have one tusk. One is broken. That no, you don't want duality, you want unity. So that is the power of Ganesh ji. And then what does he have? He has, इनका वाहन क्या है? वो नीचे में चूहा. What does चूहा represent? चूहा represents our senses, which is always knowing, always biting, always moving, never satisfied, greedy है तो भी चाहिए, वैसा टाइप का senses जो है उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल है गणेश जी का. He is, the चूहा is down there and he has control over that. So as human beings, when we reach this level of wisdom, when we are able to have control on our senses, which are like चूहास, हर टाइम कुछ ना कुछ कुतरने को चाहिए, हर टाइम. और आपको पता है जब चूहा काटती है, when the चूहा काटता है तो फर्स्ट एक टाइप का एनेस्थीसिया टाइप का इफेक्ट होता है. दैट टाइम यू डोंट इवन नो द चूहा काटा है. उसके बाद वो काट के चला जाता है तब दर्द आना शुरू होता है. सो दिस मीन्स दैट व्हेन वी आर इनटू दिस what do you say, frenzy of being controlled by our senses, we feel everything is very nice, but it's later on that you start realizing that it is so hollow, that it is actually giving you nothing, and there is no, it's bottomless. Literally, it's a bottomless pit with ultimately no purpose, because it doesn't give you that satisfaction, that purpose. How long can you just live by your senses? That is such superficial living. And I think now whoever has joined this session is already in that state, where you want to rise above your basic senses and you want to get into a different path or a different vibration. So that is the reason you have a चूहा there, कि गणेश जी वो चूहा के मैंने अपने सेंसेस के ऊपर अपना सब कंट्रोल है. और वो जब बैठते हैं तो आप देखते हैं एक पैर ऊपर एक पैर नीचे, मैंने आप हैं, यू आर प्रेजेंट इन एवरीथिंग येट यू आर इवॉल्व्ड. You are there yet not there. अनुराग है फिर भी विराग है, अटैचमेंट है फिर भी डिटैचमेंट है. That is the way life should be, right? इतना. और इनफैक्ट in our Hindu religion इसका एक बहुत सुंदर explanation है that we celebrate, चाहे दुर्गा पूजा हो या गणेश चतुर्थी को इतना धूमधाम से 8-10 दिन हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, उसी के पीछे लगे रहते हैं, उससे इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ नहीं होता है. Everything is focused around that, and then suddenly one day we take that idol and we put it in the water and everything is forgotten, right? It's just an abrupt end to all the celebration. What does that show? It shows that you need to let go. जो attachment है, जो सब कुछ है, ultimately everything is temporary. This body, everything is temporary. तो आप इतना attachment मत रखिए, क्योंकि आपको अल्टीमेटली वो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन टू शो, यू नो, टू मेक अस रियलाइज दैट यू नीड टू लेट गो, कि आप डिटैच रहना पड़ेगा आपको. इतना जो सेलिब्रेशन के इसके बाद खत्म, इट्स अब्रप्ट, राइट और रॉन्ग. चाहे कलकत्ता में देख लीजिए दुर्गा पूजा हो तो कैसे हम लोग फ्रेंजी में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, एंड देन सडनली विसर्जन में वही गंगा में जाके आप देखिए कैसे वो स्टैच्यू, सब मूर्तियां क्ले की सब पड़ी हुई हैं. There is no attachment after that. So similarly, you need to understand that about human life. That जब तक है बहुत अच्छा है, but after that, when it's over, you have to tap into the soul. You know, so everything is about body consciousness हटा के अपने को, अपना spirituality, अपने soul पे, मैं आत्मा हूँ, आपको उस चीज पे ध्यान देना है. That is the meaning. और एक चीज बोलते हैं ना, जब गणेश जी को बोलते हैं पूरा वर्ल्ड घूमो, तो वो अपने माता पिता के गोल गोल घूमते हैं और बोलते हैं कि मेरा हो गया, राइट? देयर इज अ स्टोरी, हैव यू ऑल हर्ड दिस? सो इसका मतलब ये हुआ दैट एक तो माता पिता ऑफ कोर्स आवर पेरेंट्स हैं, हु आर लाइक गॉड्स. दूसरा, व्हेन आप अपने परम पिता, योर गॉड, योर सोल, ऑल दिस, व्हेन जब आप उस चीज को आप अपना वर्ल्ड बनाएंगे, राइट, देन यू विल रियलाइज दैट यू डोंट नीड मच. देन यू विल रियलाइज दैट यू हैव गॉटन द क्वालिटीज ऑफ गणेश, which is who is the विघ्नहर्ता, राइट. सो आप रियलाइज करेंगे, आप अगर ये सब 5-6 चीज फॉलो करते हैं तो आप अपने खुद के बुद्धि से ऑब्स्टिकल्स को रिमूव कर सकते हैं, right? So that is the symbolism of Ganesh ji, where he is telling you कि बुद्धि से काम चलाओ तो रिद्धि सिद्धि, that is prosperity and success आपके साथ रहेगी always, ठीक है. और जो उनके क्वालिटीज है अपने को एटलीस्ट इस गणेश चतुर्थी को, एटलीस्ट वो 7-10 डेज जब हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, लेट्स डू एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. उस 7-10 डेज लेट्स ट्राई टू इनकलकेट ऑल दीज, you know, qualities that he is telling us to. You'll realize that it needs a lot of mindfulness. इतना easy नहीं होता है, especially when you're meeting people, doing so much. It seems very simple, yet not easy to be so mindful 24/7. So let's try it at least. Let's try this in this puja festival thing, okay? And also remember that wisdom has to be there in everything, in our thoughts, in our words, and in our action. I think everybody should note this down. Wisdom should be there in every word, thought and action. सभी चीज में हम लोग अगर wisdom, you know, and आपको पता है wisdom, wise people, have you seen somebody who is wise? When you think of a wise person, what is the type of image that you get in mind? You get somebody who is calm, somebody who is patient, somebody who is empathetic, somebody who is ready to listen, somebody who is not judgmental. Yes or no? What is it when you think of a wise person? Somebody who is not always criticizing, somebody who is willing to accept that okay, कोई भी perfect नहीं होता है, सब में त्रुटियां होती है, कि हाँ मुझे. So that is the wisdom. That is wisdom that will lead you to life. Today in the group, what did I post for Teachers Day? That in life, you know, with experience, what Sudha Murthy is saying, that with experience, she says that money, accolades, prize, उससे ज़्यादा important होता है good relationships, peace of mind, health, right? So that is wisdom. That is wisdom. That is what we need to tap instead of just being in the rat race. आप समझ रहे हैं, इसीलिए rat race word कहाँ से आया है? हमारे हिंदू कल्चर में ये सबको पता था, इसीलिए वो रैट को वहां दिखा रहा है कि गणेश जी अपने विजडम से, अपने जो भी एट्रीब्यूट्स है उससे वो रैट को, जो इंद्रियां हम लोग की, जो हमारे सेंसेस हैं, उनको कंट्रोल में रखते हैं. तो हम लोग को भी वही करना है. और दूसरा और एक चीज क्या है, गणेश जी इज ऑल्सो द लॉर्ड ऑफ मर्क्यूरी, ओके, बुध. बुद्धि से काम लेना बोलते हैं ना, वेडनेसडे को हम लोग गणेश जी का पूजा करते हैं, those who are into puja part. So I want to tell you all that some 3 years back also I was not a person who did puja part. My mother never did puja part, in the sense going to we had a temple. My dad used to do a bit of aarti and all, but my mom never did. I never did. I was never into rituals. I was never into, I liked going to temple. I believe a lot in God. I believe a lot in prayers, but I was never very ritualistic. But last 2 years, not in 2 years, 1.5 years, I realized that I like doing a lot of rituals. Okay, and I realize what it does is it just gives me peace of mind. It is not that correct है, wrong है, पहले better था, अब नहीं है, मेरे को नहीं पता, ये कभी हो सकता फेज हो सकता हो 2 साल बाद मैं नहीं करूँ, बट अभी मैं जब करती हूँ तो I feel a sense of peace, and I do it a lot because my children are not here. I just feel I'm contributing energy wise. When I'm sitting and doing my puja, there's a certain discipline which I lacked earlier. Maybe there were other forms of discipline, but now at this moment I'm just liking doing these rituals. Okay, so Wednesday है गणपति, it's the day I always think बुद्धि से काम लो, बुधवार है, right? बुधवार है, गणेश जी का डे है. सो आप भी ये चीज कर सकते हो. गणेश चतुर्थी में तो करना ही चाहिए दैट गणेश जी व्हेन यू कम अप रिचुअल्स, ही लाइक्स दुर्बा जो बोलते हैं ना, दैट होली धूप भी तो बोलते हैं हम लोग, मारवाड़ी में तो धूप बोलते हैं, ऐसे दुर्बा बोलते हैं. तो 21 दुर्बा चढ़ा सकते हैं. ऐसे भी आप एवरी वेडनेसडे या जब भी आप गणपति जी को वर्शिप करें या इन्वोक करें, उनको धूप चढ़ा सकते हैं. ठीक है. दूसरा हाइबिस्कस फ्लावर्स चढ़ा सकते हो. यू कैन गिव 11 हाइबिस्कस फ्लावर्स. ऑफकोर्स आप मोदक तो चढ़ाओगे, 21 मोदक अगर आप चढ़ाते हो, 21 में एक उनको दो, बाकी सबको बांट दो. ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट वॉट एवर यू गिविंग द गॉड, okay, is symbolic. After that you need to distribute it to the people all around. That is actually what the prasad is all about, right? इसीलिए प्रसाद बांटी जाती है. It's not that सारा का सारा चढ़ा देना है, सबके साथ बांटिए. जरूरी नहीं है सिर्फ पंडित जी लोग के साथ, सबके साथ बांटिए. और दूब इज वन थिंग दैट ऑलवेज गणेश जी को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. तो आपको अगर अंदर से फीलिंग आता है दैट मैं दुर्बा या दूब चढ़ाने से आई एम एबल टू कनेक्ट टू गणेश जी बेटर एंड ही इज फीलिंग हैप्पियर एंड ही विल रिमूव ऑल माई ऑब्स्टिकल्स, एंड दैट इज द टाइप ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस एंड माइंडसेट यू हैव, सो बी इट. That will only happen because you are setting an intention, right? And with that intention आप वो दूब चढ़ा रहे हो, right? So इस बार लेकिन जब आप गणपति 7th को है, राइट? 7th को चाहे आप सिद्धि विनायक जाते हो. अब तो हमारे कलकत्ता में भी सिद्धि विनायक मंदिर हैज कम. बॉम्बे में तो वी नो ओनली हाउ पीपल वर्शिप गणेश जी. तो व्हेन यू गो टू द टेम्पल दिस टाइम, प्लीज थिंक ऑफ ऑल द क्वालिटीज दैट गणेश जी हैज, which I have tried to explain in short, और बोलिए कि मुझे वो विजडम एंड शक्ति दीजिए कि मैं विघ्नहर्ता बन सकूं आपके सारे के साथ. That with your support, you and me together, you have double power. You and me together, we are going to solve all the problems. We are going to remove all the obstacles. Okay, just don't depend on him. Say that I'll do it with you. Let's do it together. Come, because I'm going to become like you. And when I become like you, your power and my power are shared. And that is the time we can do things, right? Because whatever he's saying is just a way of life. A way of life where you are mindful and when you are leading a life which has more value than just being a random person who just does whatever, time pass. अब time pass का समय नहीं है. And सबसे चीज क्या होता है कि when we are having problems, especially our children, especially our loved ones, that is the time we think more of the gods. When things are all okay, we kind of forget. But please remember, it is a constant journey. You need to be grateful every second of your life for what you have. Every second of your life for what you have. You need to be grateful for having this kind of wisdom which you innately have, maybe which you are not using. So अब से अगर आप माइंडफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस करते हो और रियलाइज करते हो कि इस गणेश चतुर्थी मैं इतना कुछ करूंगी, आप रियलाइज करोगे आप ऐसे भी वाइब्रेशनली बहुत डिफरेंट होना शुरू करोगे. There'll be things which keep happening. There's another very beautiful thing which I will discuss more in detail when we do a class on chakra, because like I kept saying, chakra healing and all, some that is a very intense class that I want to do. But Ganesh ji is related to our Mooladhara chakra, the root chakra, okay? And the root chakra is all about survival. The root chakra is all about grounding. That is where we have a sex organs, and उसके बीच में वो मूलाधार चक्र है. अगर आपका सोचिए ग्राउंडिंग नहीं हुआ हुआ, इफ यू आर अनस्टेबल इन योर रूट, डू यू थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग? यू नो, दैट इज द रीजन सबसे पहले गणेश जी की पूजा होती है. दैट सबसे पहले आप you are centered, you are in control, you are in that state where after that you can take all the right decisions. So there's a reason for everything, right? So that is why root chakra ka apne, jab aap koi meditation, I'll teach you all some meditations later when we do the class. When you want, that is all about survival, that is all about the base, the root chakra. So that is, uska lord bhi Ganesh ji hain, and the root chakra is red in color. So आप ये याद रखिए कि आपको अपना बेस, जब तक आप अपने आप को सेंटर्ड नहीं करेंगे, रूटेड नहीं रहेंगे, ग्राउंडेड नहीं रहेंगे, आपका सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट, आपका जो बेस है, जब तक वो स्टेबल नहीं रहेगा, सब कुछ हिलता डुलता रहेगा, right? So there too, Ganesh ji is the Lord, and he is the one who helps us with that. And we will do that meditation and all that later on in the session, because that's a different subject altogether. But please remember that Ganesh ji is necessary for that. Or like another thing I told you was Mercury. Anybody who wants, Mercury is all about communication, Mercury is all about creativity, right? So उनके लॉर्ड भी गणेश हैं. वैसे तो बुध है, but उनके साथ साथ गणेश जी भी हैं. So that is why we always pray to Ganesh ji, and the color is green. Another thing which I want to share, which I discovered lately, is music. गणेश जी के एक पर्टिकुलर एल्बम है ऑफ पंडित जसराज, which I have got absolutely obsessive about. Like it's got into my subconscious brain. Like मैं दिन रात, मेरे को लगता है मेरे अंदर खाली वही चांट हो रहा है. It's so beautiful. So I will share that music with you. I want you all to connect to finer energies, to divinity through music also. You think it's possible? You think such a simple thing as music can take you to that level? Trust me, friends, it can. And it's amazing the kind of peace, the kind of meditativeness you will feel just by hearing the right music. In fact, I keep saying I'm going to do a session just on music, because there are a lot of involvements there, frequencies which can disrupt, frequencies which can soothe you down. So this is one particular album. इसमें especially दो है जो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. I'm going to share that with you. I want you all to hear that. Play it in the house, hear that, see that it goes into your subconscious mind. Somewhere I feel it will give you peace. Somewhere I feel it will go into your Mooladhara root chakra, it will center you, it will ground you. Somewhere when you are grounded, you will become wiser. And when you are wiser, obviously you will get abundance, prosperity and success, because that is a combination. Ganesh, Riddhi, Siddhi. Yes, I'll share that. It's on YouTube only. It's just that there's so much on YouTube. There's so much everywhere. Getting the right thing is also a miracle, I feel. हम लोग पूछते रहते हैं ना फ्रेंड्स को, क्या देखें नेटफ्लिक्स में, इतना बकवास भरा हुआ है और इतना अच्छा भी है. नाउ इट्स योर लक वेदर यू गेट द गुड वन और द बैड वन, करेक्ट? सो इतना कुछ है यूट्यूब में, इतना मैटर है दैट getting something which is right, I feel that is also a big gift in life nowadays, literally, because out of the trash, again kaan hai na, you're sieving what is actually good and what is actually just trash, because it's all there. It is up to you what you choose. So that is the reason I'm going to share this beautiful music, which I feel अगर आप ये भी सुनेंगे ना regularly, तो somewhere आप थोड़े से गणेश की तरह बन जाएंगे. Very very wise, and wise people, they are anyway content, right? Wise people have this sense of contentment which leads them everywhere. That is wisdom. Ultimately, when you become so wise that you're so content that you have no, you're not like a rat. चूहा की तरह नहीं है आप. Other problems, other जो obstacles हैं, वो तो हम लोग अपने आप ही हटा देते हैं. So I think, are there any questions? वैसे सी गणेश जी का टॉपिक इज सो ह्यूज, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोरीज, आई कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट, वी कैन गो ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स नीडेड. Everybody knows enough. This also, I'm sure, lot of you must be knowing. If it is a reminder for you, very good. If it's something new for you, very good. But this time, I want you to, from 7th ko hai na Ganesh Chaturthi, I want you all to interpret and be in a different mind frame when you're doing the puja, with a little more knowledge, with a little more mindfulness, with a little more about yourself. The God is just there as a representation about yourself. अपने आप को चेंज करिए. Any questions? आप लोग को अच्छा लगा? चैट में कर सकते हैं, खोल सकते हैं.
Shivani, can you just talk a little more about the frequency you just spoke about?
Please. Can you repeat the question, please?
Can you please tell a little more about the frequency that you just spoke about?
Yeah, so what happens is when you are in that, supposing you have imbibed all the qualities of Ganesha that I was talking about, being wise, being centered, being mindful, living in the present, being somebody जो पचा सके, accept कर सके, एक दंत, being somebody who's inclined towards unity, जो हमेशा relationships में वैसे दिखते हैं. What happens is you're vibrationally, you start vibrating at a higher plane. Like if you think everything is actually energy, right? Even a physical body, even a stone, everything is energy. So it is like how you calibrate a radio. जब आप radio calibrate कर रहे हैं, आप कौन सा channel में जाओगे, वो तभी आपको वो music मिलेगी, right? So if you start being that kind of a person, what happens is your vibration rises and you are able to attract the good. See, it is also called the law of resonance, that you resonate who you are. Okay, if you are a good person, you will resonate and attract more and more goodness in your life. If you are a wise person, you will attract more and more situations where you are able to be wise or share your wisdom. So that is what energy does. It is a law of attraction also, that vibrationally you attract what you are and what you want. So अगर हम लोग ये simple चीज को follow करें, जो actually is teaching you just to be a good human being, आप actually देखो तो it's just telling you to be a good, kind, empathetic human being, then what happens is you automatically vibrate in a higher frequency. Like I say na, gratitude, love, all these frequencies are divine frequencies. तब आप ऑटोमेटिकली वैसे ही लोग अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. आप देखिए कई लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं कि दुनिया बहुत खराब है, कैसी दुनिया है, एवरीवेयर देयर इज सो मच मैडनेस. दे आर थिंकिंग लाइक दैट, सो दे अट्रैक्ट पीपल लाइक दैट एंड देयर वर्ल्ड इज लाइक दैट. If I say that the world is so beautiful, इतने benevolent लोग हैं, इतने अच्छे लोग हैं, मैं न्यूज़ नहीं देख रही हूँ, मैं फोकस कर रही हूँ पॉजिटिव पर, मैं ऑटोमेटिकली वैसे ही लोग, वैसे ही सर्कमस्टांसेस अट्रैक्ट करूँगी और वो मेरा दुनिया बनेगा. दैट इज माई पर्सपेक्टिव देन, राइट? सो दैट इज वाई वाइब्रेशनली you can attract your world, you can make your own world. You can make your own world. So that is why.
Beautifully explained.
Thank you so much.
Beautifully explained.
Shivani,
yes, hi Sandhana.
it's the first time I've been invited for a Ganesh Puja on Saturday.
Oh, so beautiful.
So, is there anything in particular I should be doing?
Of course, particularly now when you go, you are going to check out all the symbols that I spoke about. When you see the statue, you are going to remember everything that I told you about. दूसरा आप चाहते हो तो धूप ले जाइए, धूप. 21 धूप, if you can count 21 धूप and चढ़ा सकते हो, that is very beautiful. बोलते हैं गणेश जी बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं, प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं. And of course you tell him your problem, say that you and I together we are going to solve it. Now we are buddies.
Okay.
Talk to him, tell him that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so you can take धूप, look at hibiscus flowers रख सकते हो 11, but just take धूप. That is the simplest if it's possible. तो आपके तो garden में ही होगा, I'm sure.
Hibiscus इतने नहीं है, थोड़े.
धूप, what about धूप?
One.
What do you
One
mean?
is enough.
I thought that धूप जलाने वाली.
धूप नहीं, धूप.
Durba is the grass.
It's
green
a grass. Green grass.
Green
and
grass.
you take the upper five.
Yeah.
Upper
आप किसी को भी
five.
पूछेंगे ना, yeah, it is a green grass, not धूप.
Huh.
Okay.
We thought dhroop.
No, not धूप.
Dhruv.
Durba, Dub.
Durba.
So you just Google, you'll find you must be having in your garden, Vandana.
Yeah.
माली को बोलिए, it's a grass जो थोड़ा different है, वो उठाते हैं, that's for puja.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can take 21 of that or 11 hibiscus, मोदक ले जा सकते हैं, but more than that, आपको दूब ले जाइए, दुर्बा, and आप जो मैं इतना लंबा जो समझाई आपको, try to see all that in the murti and try to get that energy, because you've been invited, imagine. So coincidentally, so go and tell Ganesh ji that these are all the things that I want, and when you see him, always think of Riddhi Siddhi saath mein. You know that you are going to get a prosperity as well as success. So it's a beautiful trinity.
Thank you.
Yeah. I really hope आप एकदम ठीक हो जाएं. Then you give me a call. I'll come and meet you in Bombay.
Rani, yes, it would be my honor and pleasure.
No, my honor. I remember you so well now.
Yes, I admired your outfit and you admired mine. We were still at the body level. We all are. We need to keep on remembering. But yes, this time Ganesh Puja is going to be very, very special for all of us. Right? I used to keep for 1 month my Ganpati during this time when I was well. Shivani, I had a Ganesh Murti made by the blind children, beautifully glazed. It was pale blue in color. And I did the whole ritual every morning and evening. And when you say 11, I never did 11 modak. I just did 1. But I make it with love. आज chocolate का बनाओ, आज केसर का दो, आज कुछ और. And then I'd say, I'm sure you're tired of all this. चलो आज बादाम कतली खाते. Very good. So it is what you rightly said, Shivani. It has to be with love, with devotion, total surrender and acceptance of whatever he's doing to you. Accept it as his grace. I mean, उसका शुक्राना हम कितना कर सकते, कभी शुक्राना खत्म नहीं हो, कभी शुक्राना खत्म नहीं. Absolutely. वही तो है ना, हम लोग मांगने में इतने बिजी होते हैं कि थैंक यू थोड़ा कम बोलते हैं. इस बार इतना ज्यादा शुक्राना करें कि मांगे कम, दरकार ही नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वो ऑटोमेटिकली होता है. And like I say, it's always your personal connect with the God. Talk to them. They are divine energies. They are portals. Absolutely. You need to talk to them. And when you go and visit a temple, don't always close your eyes. No. नहीं, खुल के देखो. खुल के देखो.
That's why they have big eyes. All the murtis, they have big eyes, because you're supposed to look into their eyes and talk to them. That is why they are made disproportionately big. That is the whole idea. तो आप मन में हो, पर उसके अलावा देख के वो डिविनिटी के साथ कनेक्ट करो, उनकी क्वालिटीज को इम्बाइब करो, उनको थैंक यू बोलो, कैसे वाइब्रेशनली अपने आप को उठाओ. इट इज बोलते हैं ना, हम लोग हमारे अंदर गॉड है, बस अपने को वो गॉड और वो गॉड जो एक्सटर्नल है उसको साथ वाइब्रेट करना है, इतना ही तो है. Because it's all inside you. You are the Ganpati. You have the qualities. Everything is possible for you to do. You just need to rise above. And these little rituals, these little pujas, everything is for human beings, because we need this for our mind to align back. हम लोग ये रैट रेस में, वर्ल्ड में इतना ज़्यादा बिजी हो जाते हैं कि these are reminders made by our ancestors so that they align us back to that, that attribute. That is why you have all this. Because आप बिना reminders के कोई भी आदमी live नहीं कर सकता है. You have to have somebody who's telling you. So these things are made like that. कि ये खत्म हुआ तो ये आया, ये खत्म, but constantly कुछ ना कुछ आप उस मोड में रहो. That is the reason it has all been.
I like the word मोड में रहो.
Yeah, but
उस मोड में रहो.
हम लोग मस्ती को ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, क्या पहनेंगे, क्या करेंगे, क्या फ्रेंड्स, बट जो उसका स्पिरिचुअलिटी है, जो वो जिस रीजन के लिए वो बनाया गया है, वो थोड़ा शैलो हो जाता है. सबके लिए नहीं, मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं किसी को डिनाउंस नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट जनरल जो होता है, मैं खुद के लिए ही बोल रही हूँ. It is like now that I'm discovering so much. It is like I said, in this phase of life where I get a lot of peace when I'm in Wednesday, I'm wearing green and I'm, doop de rahi hu. I just feel a little better. I just feel that, and I always pray that all my good karma goes to my children or my family or my husband. I decree that. I always decree that. I've taught you all about how you decree, right? Whatever good karma, decree. Like today, I think all of us can decree that whatever good karma that you all do should go to Sri Bali so that she becomes healthy. She's 80-year-old. She's in the hospital. She's joining from there. She's just had a stent. She has another surgery planned, right? And look at her grit and look at her wisdom. So I think everybody today should decree that जो भी good karma आप अभी करते हो उसका सारा फल उनके पास जाए. Isn't that beautiful? At least I'm going to do it.
It is
Thank
beautiful.
you.
And Shivani, I just
Thank
wanted
you.
to share whatever Miss Bali shared was beautiful. Really, Miss Bali, it was really beautiful.
I met her in Bombay, and she was one person who was sitting right in front, and she asked me questions like, Shivani, what do you think of destiny? And I told her that, I'm too young and uneducated right now to answer such a question. I don't really know. That time I didn't know so much. Now I feel I have a little few answers, just random. But she was the one who was sitting there so attentive. So I think today my blessing is that you are there for us in this session.
I will be. I am determined never to leave his hand. And as I tell him, अभी तक मेरा हाथ आपने नहीं छोड़ा और अभी आगे भी नहीं छोड़ोगे.
एकदम. वो आपके अंदर ही है, आपको क्या छोड़ेगा?
बिल्कुल. Shivani, I still drive.
There is no difference.
I still drive. And the moment I start the car, I said, चलो भगवान अब चले. Parking आपकी responsibility. गाड़ी चलाना मेरा काम. Parking आपकी responsibility.
Beautiful.
And so far, he's never let me down.
Yeah, like I said, now you are connected. आपके अंदर है. So I think today, our biggest gift is having Sri Bali and sharing her wisdom and her experience. She's like, I'm a student. I'm very young compared to her wisdom. And wisdom is what we seek, right? Ganesh ji ka puja hi wisdom.
See the oneness. See that oneness in all.
Yeah.
See that oneness in all.
Ekdanta. Thank you so much. Yes, she will be. Everybody is wishing you get well soon, and everybody is going to pray for you.
Yes,
Shivani, all the
definitely, ma'am.
magic and love to
Get
her.
well soon.
Yeah, Shivani,
Yeah.
all the magic and love to Auntie. Lots of
Absolutely.
love.
I know all of us are going to do that.
Ankar, she said oneness, Eko Ankar.
Yes, Bali auntie. Shruti is already. She was the one who introduced me to you. Shushila, Shruti,
Yes.
all these wonderful people I've met through my journey with gratitude. I feel so Vandana. I mean, there's so many people who I've met and I've made such beautiful connections. You can't imagine how good I feel. It's a give and take. It's never one-sided, right? Like I used to offer tulsi to Ganesh ji, okay? Then this time because I was doing the session, I did a whole lot of reading and all. तो पता चला तुलसी नहीं देते हैं, सिर्फ दुर्बा देते हैं, the grass. Now I don't know the reason why. I couldn't find out, but मैं आज से अब दुर्बा दूंगी, तुलसी नहीं दूंगी. चलो यही benefit हुआ कि एक चीज correct हुआ. Not that it really matters because these are rituals. If you feel good about it, but ठीक है. गणेश जी को दूब पसंद है तो हम लोग दूब ही देंगे ना. तो इस गणेश चतुर्थी if possible 21 दूब दीजिए. That's a very simple thing to do. So see you again soon, everybody. And Vandana, this time have a good, darshan.
Yes.
Easily darshan, and of course, when you see that, pray that you get that. Whatever inside you have, that is invoked. Okay. Good to see you, Ekta.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Good to see you, Ekta. So nice.